Yeah, there you go. Oh. Oh, bro. Come on. Oh, this one's a fighter. Oh, yes, sir. Let me listen to drag. Oh. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah, Triggerfish Nation.
So bigger than the last one?
Yeah, this is definitely big. PB right here.
Oh.
PB.
Yeah, you can eat that one, huh? The brown one.
I don't know. Oh, relax, guys.
It's grunting at you. Oh, you gonna throw him in the cooler?
I don't know. I'm not really trying to keep this one.
Oh, bird nester.
Forgot about that.
Let them all out there.
Thank you for the fight. Goodbye.
Oh, you bet.
Bentos. Oh my god. Freaking trigger. Hello, kayaker, everybody. Oh, bottoms up. Nah. It has to be the black one. I don't know, that was a
Ready for slice them. Wanna collies. That should have. There's some more.
Actually, you
You know, like the shark bowl.
I just like the jump reel.
Throw them in there.
There I can feel
Spin them down.
Oh yeah, baby. Big boys. Big boys.
I'm surprised.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Smaller those ones. Okay, you gotta take a picture of them.
Yeah.
Here, there.
One. Here we go. We missing. Bentos. Oh. Yes, you fun. Oh yeah. Oh, pink tail too. This one, right? Sure. Oh, where's my lid, bro?
Oh, they ate your leg.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. This is healthy. Thank you. What is happening? You got caught.
Talking to each other. Let's make a break for it.
Oh, that's a pretty fish though.
Open this one.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was just tapping the bottom with the lead. Another triggerfish.
Is it?
First, 14 inches.
12. Oh, these guys are thieves, bruh. Thieves. Yep. Trust me, man. Just take the meds.
It's the patches.
Drowsy. It makes you drowsy, so it makes you sleepy. Oh, this water's deep.
Yeah, I just take the pill then.
Oh, I hit the ground. Oh, I feel the bites, cuz.
Jig them up and down. Because if you know what jig them,
They don't set?
not pick up the food. More big up and downs. More big up
Oh, like that?
But the reason, maybe that's a little bit too big. But the reason why you like jig them is you know like the rubbish fish this way.
Oh, you're getting eaten, but
We taking everything home, huh? All the hot
I have to hook that one on the top.
oh, Uncle June, we need to catch huggies for Uncle June.
What?
He said he's gonna grill them, all of them.
Huggies.
Yep. We need to get some impachis for some bentos. Excuse me, Uncle. Oh. Yeah, that's the slow rock. That'll get you.
Honolulu pilot, this is CMA CJM.
Nobody fishing right now.
Call sign 9 Hotel Alpha 49.
Ooh, we need some cold wind.
Honolulu 49.
Those things look pretty big. Still circling your fly.
They were, but. Oh, man.
Hey, that was crazy.
They look pretty big, that one. Oh, you're dead. You're dead.
Bentos. Oh my god. Freaking trigger. Hello, kayaker, everybody. Which one? Yeah. Let's go. Dude, there's just so many of them.
Tried in one, this diamond T2.
Alright, bro. Peace. you for watching the rest of this video, guys. So this day we ended up not fishing for too long. We tried starting off fishing the South Shore with some lures. We were dragging them on the water, trolling, but it wasn't too successful. So we just had some poles lying around and we started doing some shallow bottom fishing. What happened that we had to leave early was my cousin was feeling sick. And normally I do kind of well on like boats, but as long as I take my meds, I'm like good. But I have this odd like characteristic where if someone's feeling sick, I like mimic them, so it's like I start to feel sick and it like just doesn't end well. So I think there's a part of the video where I just sat on the cooler and I was just like out of it. There's a slow rocking of when the boat, like when it's trolling and it's moving in one direction, it's fine, but the slow rocking kills me. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and join you guys in the next one. Yesssuh.